Hello my people, I go by the Ayo Park nomenclature Ernest from All Die and Die Comedy World. Listen to this Caterpillar news.
Ladies and good people of the Federal Republic of Nigerians, I want to use this point to appreciate all members and state workers on how they have resumed back to their federal works after the Salah break. Some of the happenings around Nigerians, federal and state levels, local governments, are some of the things we want to bring to you to make sure you are all keeping and well keep updates. One of the few among the list, I want to congratulate the current Edo State governors, Obaseki, for removing the zinc and roof of the House of Assembly in Edo State because of some political reactions. In removing the speaker as the commander-in-chief of the Armed Forces ruling council of this present administrations, I hereby order the speaker to return back to the State House of Assembly with immediate effect. Just as I've said, I want to use this medium to assure governors of every state that all allocations concerning states are no longer meant for development of states. It is meant for enjoyment and jubilations. Create more ministers for enjoyment. Marry more wives and make yourself more enjoy. I want to thank my able prophet from Anambra State, Chukwuemeka Odumeje, for his whereby concern in some insulting people in terms of deliverance, to make sure they get well soon. For that reason, I hereby make you the chief priest of all prophets, herbalists, imams, and all people who worship to be their head office chairman. I thereby make your branch office in Onitsha the headquarter of all Christian dupes where they will worship. For that reason, I inaugurate you as the chairman of all pastors along Africans in a row to enable you continue your somersault deliverance and Frankenstein styles of making people get well. Just as I was saying, I want to congratulate the big brothers in Nigeria, in most especially Dorati. I make you the branch manager of Tinkasi Milk and Nigerian Global in West Africa because of your length of breath, which by technology distance is 9.5 diameters. I want to urge all Nigerian ladies in Africa to make sure they enlarge their braces up to your or more than your standard to ensure that more picnics are thereby produced. I want to urge you to come to Abuja with immediate effect to start feeding the Vice President, Commander-in-Chiefs of the Africa Contemplating Conglobers. I want to use this medium to congratulate the Big Brothers Cameroon for how they have imitated Nigerians in terms of quality and idea. And for that reason, the burning of their kishes, I want to ensure them to burn most of their members to ensure they meet up to the standard. This point, I will not end this broadcast by congratulating some self-individuals who have stood beside Nigerians in times even when I have, as the Commander-in-Chief, put Nigeria for sale to ensure that this country is no more safe for the poor, but very hot for people who don't have financial institutions. I want to congratulate my able friend from my constituency in Anambra State, and most especially from Ekwusigo local government in Anambra State, the Lord Bishop of Ozuburu, Mr. and Chief and Lolo, Aloysius Ikegwonu, for your well-being concerning the people of Ozubulu, how you have been paying elders who are above 70 salaries, building of banks, road, educational facilities, and even ensuring that Ozubulu becomes a global network, just like South Africa. I urge you that in time come 2021, get ready to become the next governor of Anambra State without tribalism and even ingramations. I want to thank some self-disciplines and self-conscious Nigeria, like my faithful brother P-Link Global World, the managing director of P-Link Nigeria Limited, Mr. Peter Onujeme Ojenawayewan of Lokoja, the chairman and president association of Ejima Association here in Lokoja. I want to say that from this time forth, no more NEPA Power Holdings Company. I adore you to take over to become the chief supplier in making sure Nigeria have a stable light construction. I want to thank most especially my colleagues in Nigeria, Mr. Tochukwu, the branch manager of Canopy Oil, managing distributor, on how you have turned Lokoja as a Canopy group and companies, and all other oil are thereby asking you for financial assistance. I want to thank my faithful, responsible, and all members of Mr. Martin Egwekwe, the managing director of Nitra Martins Companies Nigeria Limited, on how you have personally, in your first confidence, in making Lokoja a Luplacotics and Luplamotics oil centers and individuals. I want to urge Nigeria that from the NDC we have all developed and reconciled with the NDC board on how we can find suitable and very sentimental for this COVID-19. Some of the symptoms to ensure you don't have COVID-19 are listed beyond the list. Some of them are drinking of Fearless energy drink, drinking of Star Radlers, smearing of Isis, and most especially Sniper, Kai Kai, and most especially drinking of fear and washing your eyes with toilet tissues, and most especially morning fresh. Thank you, Nigerians. It has been a pleasure in having you as the commander-in-chief. I thereby declare that Nigeria from this fort are for sale. I urge buyers from China, Indonesia, South Americans, and even Cotonou to make sure they bring more reasonable offer. In this fort, I, the commander-in-chief and chiefs of our forces, declare Nigerian tenure no more 4 years and 8 years in tenure, but 49 years in tenure. Thank you, Nigerians. Assalamu alaikum.